Hello guys, and welcome back to another shoe cleaning video. So for today's video, we're gonna go ahead and clean an Adidas shoe, the Adidas Iniki. Let's go. Okay, so for today's shoe cleaning session, we're gonna go ahead and clean this women's Iniki. Now the Iniki is more like a retro kind of silhouette from Adidas, but already features a boost midsole, and it's really light and comfortable, guys. You could also, for sizing, you could go true to size for this one. And for the materials, usually for the Iniki, it has a suede toe parts, you can see, and another suede part on the heel. And this is usually the part that gets dirty. Also the midsole is boost, so you might want to avoid mud and any stain sticking on the boost. Just wipe it off immediately. So for today, we're gonna go and clean this shoe by using our shoe cleaner, using the brush and wipe method. But since this has suede, so before doing anything, first step is to use the suede eraser and clean the suede first. Now you must remember, guys, that water is really bad for suede. It stiffens and hardens the suede, so you must avoid water at all times. But if you do the brush and wipe method, you can pat immediately after cleaning this one and wipe off the water immediately. So after we apply eraser on the suede, we're gonna do a brush and wipe method to the whole shoe, including the suede part. Okay. Okay guys, so we are done with applying the suede eraser to the suede. Now the purpose of this one, guys, is really to remove the top dirt from the suede and avoid it from scattering when we apply the shoe cleaner. Now it is most important when we apply the shoe cleaner, since we are using water, to immediately tap dry the suede part and use really dry microfiber towels when cleaning this shoe. Let's go. And we are done, guys. Okay, as you can see, it's all clean now. Our shoe cleaner is actually applicable to all kind of materials, and it's safe for the color as well of your shoes. It's even good for boost application as well. It can also clean boost. Now you just need to remember when you are dealing with Inikis that you must be extra careful in dealing with the suede part. So suede on the toe, suede on the lace part, and also on the heel. Need to be extra careful. You need to use the suede eraser first to avoid the dirt scattering around when applying the shoe cleaner. And also for the boost, remember guys, just a tip, when you are using your boost shoes, you must remember that these are very absorbent materials, so if ever you get any stain or any mud on this boost, you must wipe it off immediately. My best advice is for you to bring some extra wet wipes when you are walking around or using these shoes, and wipe it off immediately at the end of the day. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new today. So I'll see you guys soon on our next shoe cleaning video. Bye.